much. We're gonna pick up an Axleback exhaust for the WRX. You know, just to hear the pops get a little louder. That's about it. We installed the fourth brake light yesterday.
The Nameless Axleback is going, I think the retail is like $450.
Yeah.
The guy's asking $150, so it's a steal.
For sure. No leaks. He got all the gaskets, bolts.
Hopefully we should be making some good noises today.
Some good pops and bangs.
Yes, sir.
Axleback boys. Take it easy, man.
All right, brother. Take care, man.
Be careful. You too. Drive safe, man.
Oh, that was a fucking steal.
150, bitches.
Take off the old Axleback, which is really easy on this car. It's just it's 4 bolts, right? Yeah, 4 bolts, and then you're gonna want to take the exhaust off the hangers. Alright guys, so then you're gonna want a 14 mil socket and a 14 mil wrench. Alright, so from under the car, you can see this is the Y pipe, and it stems off right here and right here. So you're just gonna want to undo these 2 14 mils on each side, 4 in total. Alright guys, so successfully got all 4 bolts off.
I don't know where the last one
It was a little rusted, but they're all off. Now we're just gonna take these hangers off. Let me show you a tool that I have for that. This will make taking off the exhaust bushings easier. Haven't really used it before, but we'll give it a shot. Oh shit.
No mufflers, just straight pipe.
What do you want in the back first? Alright, so you put this gasket right here. Make it like this, right? Gasket. And then we're gonna push it. Put it in the other hole. Alright. Push it in the other hole, there you go. And then we're gonna put another washer. And then another bolt. Not tying it down all the way just yet.
Alright guys, and just like that we're all done. Exhaust is on. It's just a straight pipe now, instead of these big mufflers on that will mute the exhaust. Holy shit! Bro, that sounds like so different. This is a warm start.
A little cold.
Good $150 well spent, yo.
Oh, we gotta go for a pull, bro.
Dude. Dude, how happy are you?
I'm having so much fun. First Subi.
Hey, yo! That's crazy! Oh my god. Dude!
Bro, it pops under like
Yo! For a second, and then just clutch it and rev. Oh my god!
We gotta go. I gotta chill out, my head gasket's about to explode.
I think that's the best 150 you could spend for an exhaust. I mean, yeah, we got lucky, but just an axle back does a lot for these cars, I guess.
And that's it, guys.
Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the exhaust.
For 150.
It's crazy. More things to come for this car, so stay tuned. Catch you guys in the next one.